Probably no monkeys here in the studio today with Rick Crosslin, because we're talking all things science with our science guy and friends as well. Okay, introduce who you brought today.
Sure, this is Kaylee Kempers.
Hi, Kaylee.
And she's an awesome student at Roby Elementary. And this is her mom, who's my colleague, who's a big science nerd.
Oh, okay, self-proclaimed, huh?
And so we've been doing our science program this summer, and one of our fun days is to go to South Central Indiana, where you find these strange geological treasures. Talk about awesome. These are awesome. Now, when you find something like this, people think, is it a dinosaur egg? Is it a petrified human skull? No.
She's like, wait, no?
These are really hard nodules that were formed about 340 million years ago, and you can find them in Indiana. Now, finding them is fun, and sometimes you find them already cracked open. But since they're like treasures, for example, Kaylee, you have your favorite. What's
she says this is the best one. She told me earlier.
Why is that the best one, Kaylee?
Okay, tell me, girl. Why is this so cool?
Because this was two geodes connected. So there's one geode right here and another geode right here. But this one, yeah, it was cracked, so it's completely flat, so it stands up on its own. It just
is cool.
It's a pre-made decoration.
So
it's decor. Just put it in your house.
I'm an Indiana geode guy, but Allison's from Iowa, so she wants to. She brought her Illinois and Iowa geodes.
Oh, yes, she did.
State rock of Iowa, and so as a little girl, all I wanted to do was find geodes. This has a big piece of calcite in it, gorgeous. But this is a Keokuk geode. They have a festival every end of September. You can actually visit that Geode Fest at Keokuk, Iowa, in Hamilton, Illinois, and they'll take you to dig sites that you've never ever done before. So check that out, Keokuk Geode Fest.
That is the coolest thing. I know Rick. He's on the ground. He's now on the ground. Rick, how difficult are these to find, and like, where do you go to look for them?
Okay,
where do they lay?
Hoosier National Forest. They're usually found in South Central Indiana because they were in a particular limestone, and they're a lot harder than limestone. So as creeks erode and the limestone weathers, these guys are covered in chalcedony, which is really hard, and they have over 19 different minerals inside of them. And so you never know. Some of them are solid, but we'll crack a few. I'll try this. Here's an Indiana one. I'll try. Now, this is pretty sharp. You want to wear goggles and probably do this outdoors because you never know. But you're going to be the first person to look inside of this 340 million-year-old treasure. Colton, what do you think? That one's pretty cool. So I love these. And because you just never know. If you find one, take it to the Indiana State Museum. They'll help identify. Come here. Let's see. Let's try cracking this one. Who wants to crack? This is the Illinois one. I don't know. This is a good one. Don't hit my finger. I'll let you do the whole thing. Here we go.
I'll hold it.
All right. You got it. So do a few easy hits at first. Let me use the big crack hammer. And let's see what that guy has. Okay, that's a beauty. Oh, look at that.
Pretty.
That's like quartz crystals in it. Quartz crystals in it, and like this one right here. But then Allison, one of her friends, Witt and Sons Contracting, loaned us this crazy thing.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Now, this is heavy duty. So
I mean, you got to break the big ones, yeah.
So this tool is a field pipe cutter, and I've got it. It's starting to crack right here. Let's see. Oh, fell out. There we go. I kind of like doing it the regular way, but this is maybe this is going to work.
Oh. Wow.
Tell you what, let's do it the old-fashioned way.
Heck yeah.
Here we go. You don't know what this is in this one?
Look at those colors.
Haven't met a kid who didn't like a geode.
Yeah, those are gorgeous. Rick Crosslin and friends, thank you guys so much. You guys, it's really cool because I remember when I was a kid, I had one of these. I think I got it from a field trip or something, but it was purple inside, like this lavender violet color. Gorgeous. I still have it today. I should run it in. I'll have to find it, Rick. Beautiful. Look at that.
Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah.
Pretty.